Finally, fall has come. Apple cider donuts, corn maze, hay rides, and more.
But who will pick the biggest pumpkin? I'm Anthony.
And I'm Yelitsa.
And together we are ANY Travels. Duffield Farm and Market in Sewell, New Jersey is an annual trip for our family.
Close to home and fun for the whole family. We start our day by taking a hayride to pick pumpkins. We enjoy the view while on the hayride.
Duffield raises over 50 variety of vegetables and fruits.
What pumpkin you want to pick today, Nana?
Big as the sun.
How about you, Juju?
A big one.
A big
but
one?
there's no big as a sun pumpkin because it'll probably crush us by now.
Yeah. When we arrived at the pumpkin patch, both Ariana and Julian wanted to see who could get the biggest pumpkin.
Can you guess who got the biggest pumpkin?
We head back to enjoy the other activities at the farm. If you're enjoying this video and would like to see more, hit that like button and subscribe.
After the hayride, we find ourselves inside of a corn maze.
Oops, wrong way.
Finally, we made it out.
There is so much to do here, from enjoying seasonal treats to wearing down the kids' energy.
Before we end our day at Duffield's farm, it's a must to shop their market. I personally can't leave without buying one of their delicious pumpkin pies.
Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.